Hey everyone, this is Lance Finucci at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we have the brand new, completely redesigned, never seen before Boston Whaler Super Sport 160. Boston Whaler company's been around for 60 years and they've been making legends ever since they first started. This boat is completely foam filled. It's 16 feet 2 inches long. It's 6 feet 8 inches wide. Has a fuel tank, 19-gallon capacity. That's the optional tank that we always put on them. The standard is a 13. It also comes with a 75 horsepower Mercury engine, and if you wanted to, you could upgrade to the 90 horse. What we're going to do, take a look at the inside, show you a couple of the quick features of the boat, and go from there. From below, we already saw the bimini top that's on the boat, but what we didn't get to see was the seating of the boat here. We have the bench seat in the back right behind the helm. That seat has a number of different options that you can do to it, including just a straight pad to put on it, right up to the full bucket seats that are adjustable and can turn around 180 degrees. Those are the seats we're actually going to be putting on this boat, as we just got this in a few days ago. The cooler in the center, there's a cushion that's going to be placed on that, and also at the bow, you're going to have a full bow cushion so that you would have a bow pad right on the front. The helm is also completely redesigned with a stainless steel steering wheel, the new tinted windshield that comes with the boat, and another feature which is really nice, which has never been on a Super Sport before, storage. You have plenty of storage right in there for all your little things. Also in front, at the helm, under the bow cushion, you'll have a combination of anchor locker and storage area. In the back, again completely redesigned, you have two swim platforms on either side of the engine, and you also have the boarding ladder on the port side of the boat. This again, it's the Boston Whaler Super Sport 160. It is a brand new boat from Boston. And there you have it, the brand new Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. The new legend that Boston Whaler has released, and you can find it here at MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. Again, my name is Lance Finucci. Stop on down and give it a good look.